Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Day 56, I believe. And the reason we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets is to try to emulate what people who are just starting would kind of, the type of results they normally see using just one account. You might get more, you might get less, but I'm somewhat, it should emulate what people would get. I'm showing you what my results are, and hopefully I believe you guys will get the same type of results. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. All right, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The links are in the descriptions if you want to follow along, and let's start this off. All right, so the first reason why I like promoting the $25 business is because it's essentially a funnel builder that is very, very lucrative, and people are interested in that type of funnel builder nowadays, because it's really the only real way you can really start a online business. At some point doing an online business, you're gonna need some form of funnel builder, and like you can create multiple businesses with a really solid funnel builder, promoting a bunch of different things. And this funnel builder is very unlimited. Like you can make as many funnels as you want, many pages as you want, so on and so forth. There's no limitations, and it's only $25. Now, if you compare that to the most popular funnel builder out now, which is ClickFunnels, it's $97 per month, and there's a ton of limitations upon it. So it's something like you can only make a certain amount of pages. The biggest one for me was that only a certain amount of people can look at your funnel. So if too many people seen your funnel, or any funnel that you have, especially when you start making multiple funnels, so a lot of people are going to start seeing your funnel. It doesn't matter if too many people see them funnels, they're going to shut down your funnels until either the next month or you upgrade to the $300 plan where it's unlimited, which is insane to me. But anyway, guys, let's keep it moving. The second reason, I think the most important reason why people are interested in the $25 business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which is higher than any other recurring commission system I had ever found, period. And this is the type of program that you want to promote if you want to try to build a solid income, because you can put in the work now and still be making money 3 years later for something you did today, which is very important and very lucrative upon building an income online. And I think it's the type of product that you want to promote, and you kind of want to stick around to those type of products in general to try to build an income and keep people in the system. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's all there is to it. So we're gonna refresh the page here to see if we got a sale yesterday or not. Let's go. Okay. Oh man, it looks like I got this guy here that I got a sale for yesterday. He got a refund. That's what that is. Man. So sometimes this is gonna happen, guys. Sometimes you get a refund, and it just happens, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Get refunds sometimes. Sometimes people don't stay in the system. As y'all can see, though, I don't went like 50. This is day 56. This is the first time I got a refund. So that's a really plus, but sometimes you will get a refund. It will happen. There's a very low chance of it happening because it's a very good product, but it will happen sometimes, guys. That's just what it is. That's just reality. Sometimes people don't want the product and they get a refund for it. But yeah, I'm able to show you guys that sometimes it's just not all sugar and rainbows. Sometimes not getting a sale isn't the worst thing that can happen. Getting a refund can happen, right? But like I say, that's very unlikely to happen because the system is very solid. So I'm glad I was able to show you guys that look on things, so to speak, that sometimes you get refunds, which is totally fine. You know what I mean? So let's keep it moving, guys. You can't let that stop you, though. If you want to build an online income, you can't let that stop you. So anyway, we're gonna go to the next product. We're gonna go to my lead gen secrets here and promote the next email. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so we're gonna go down here. We're gonna look for an email here. Let's see what we're gonna go with. Let's go with this product here. I'm just gonna copy this, put it here. I'm gonna make it green. I like that look. I like that a little better. Now you can just copy, pause it whenever you need to pause it, and copy this. I pause it a little bit right there. You got chances to pause it and copy it. And you don't really need a picture for your sincerely here at the end of it. You could just put your name. It's totally fine. And you don't even gotta put your name. You don't even gotta put sincerely anything. I just do it personally, but you don't need to. I don't gotten sales without doing it, so that's the reason why I say that. And you want to make sure your link is working. Like that right there. And this is the link that you want to use here. Let me make sure I get the link. So you just want to put the link here. It's the link you want to use. Right here. This link here. That's the link you want to use. Alright, guys. I can't show you. I gotta be careful on this page because this page has all the information of all the people signed in under me, and I can't show that on YouTube anymore. YouTube been striking folks down for showing emails for other people in it, like private information, and also it's private information. I can't show you guys that either, but that's why I'm real careful on this page and I don't go so far. If you ever wondered that. But anyway, you want to get this link here, the one that say all-in-one $25 business, and put it there. Put it here, right here. All right, so boom. Same one. So anyway, gonna make sure we hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time people check their emails. So yeah, there's a better chance of them opening it. For example, somebody like to check their emails 8 a.m. every morning. They do that routinely every single time, right? This will make perfect timing. What it'll do, it'll send the email a little bit before 8 a.m. so it ends up on top of everything. So it's a very good chance they'll check the email. You know what I'm saying? In their Gmail or whatever. But anyway, guys. Yeah, man. All the links are in the description below. That's about it, guys. That's all it takes. You do this every morning. You're fine. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.